All set now, ready to race. And the race on, Graceful Conqueror. Nice and easy, Wonder Joy alongside Careless Whisper. Number 6, Do Re Mi, Dugus Charm. On the further outside, moving up by the Celestial Royal Family, Banknet, Boss Doding, and Matikas is running at the tail of the field. Wonder Joy, Nice and easy. Do Re Mi, racing by the Royal Family, Banknet alongside Graceful Conqueror. Careless Whisper racing on the outside is Dugus Charm, and by the rally entry number 2, Celestial Boss Doding, and Matika still running at the tail of the field. Wonder Joy's Nice and Easy is on the outside. Royal Family is racing in third by about 2 lengths. Then here comes Dugus Charm from the outside as they race the final corner. Wonder Joy's Nice and Easy, Royal Family, Dugus Charm on the further outside, Careless Whisper, and Do Re Mi, but still Wonder Joy's Nice and Easy, Royal Family, rather Nice and Easy on the outside, Wonder Joy's by the Royal Family, and Boss Doding by the Nice and Easy winning this race. Boss Doding, number 4, Wonder Joy's, Royal Family, Graceful Conqueror, and Matikas for your Super 6.
7-5.